Hello friends, good morning. Today I am here to give you a speech on importance of the English language. Friends, do you know English is the international standard language of communication. It is spoken by many people around the world. So friends, it is a very important to learn such a powerful language. It helps us. It helps communicate with people for different countries. Friends, English itself is a very beautiful language. It has a lots of phrases and rhyming words that makes it more interesting. Friends, you must improve your English language because you cannot access internet without the English language. Friends, most of the trades and international business are handled in the English language only. It makes our foreign journey easy to comfortable. So my dear friends, we must recognize the importance of learning English language in our lives. Thank you very much to listen me.